how to insert text boxes in Microsoft Word. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily insert text boxes in Microsoft Word. Let's dive right in. Open up your Word and then now, find the place where you want to insert the text box. I want to insert it beside this purpose. So I'll go to insert in the ribbon bar, and there you can see shapes, tap on it, and there at first there is the text box. Just tap on it and just you need to drag it. So you can just drag and leave it. Now you can put in a shape fill if you want to. You can put in colors. You can put in shape outline. You can even change the shape if you want to. And then now you can write anything here. So there you go. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.